Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2023 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior, and we've got a tan interior, some black accents as well. Also got this wood grain trim accent. We do have power memory seats on both driver and passenger side, as well as heated seats. Driver's seat with lumbar support, sunroof. And hopping inside, mileage on this vehicle currently at 3,848. We have a push button ignition and full touchscreen display here. Currently showing a radio and backup camera. Also access your climate controls within the menu here. You can adjust your different sport modes using this button here. So that'll affect your steering as well as transmission shifting and whatnot. Below the display, you've got cup holder, wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connection, and we have our shifter. This vehicle also has fully customizable LED ambient lighting. You can adjust that all within that menu system as well. We also have the premium Burmester sound system. It's a really nice upgrade, really increases the quality of your listening while you're driving around in the car. And we'll come around to the back. We've got our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2023 Mercedes-Benz C300, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.